Hi guys, Nikko is here. In this video I'm going to start disassembling my Saab 9.3 and I'm going to assess the damage. Let's do it. see what we have. As I said, driver's side is a little higher, and I already showed you this damage. The whole side beam a little to the right, to the passenger side, and a little higher. Then here another side beam. See, there is small damage, but it is. And the whole front part moved a little to the passenger side. Well, here is a small damage. Not so bad. This side I don't like. First, this front screen, you see, it's badly damaged. I don't know if I will repair it or I will replace it. I don't know yet. Let's see. Probably I will need to remove it anyway. Well. So the fender, I already started to work on this little major thing. What I don't like here, you see this hinge, this fender and this hinge, hood hinge. You see this. Let's see. Hopefully you can see. This part is below this part, and it's not like this on the other side. On the other side, it's straight. It's all straight. So what happened and why this hinge, the left hinge, is higher? I think the whole part moved a little bit to the rear, and it's somehow damaged this part. I don't want to remove fender right now, but I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Here it seems not so bad, but here you see this part is damaged here. No, not good. And the side beam, the most damaged side beam. Here is the support for the gearbox, and the gearbox itself and the support seems okay. The damper helped to decrease the damage, but the side beam, you see how it's below side beam, it shouldn't be like this. This part is damaged, and I don't know if body shop can pull it, or the whole side beam should be replaced. And if the whole side beam should be replaced, it's probably is not worth it. But let's see. Probably we can do something with it. At least we can try. So this is the bad news. And what is the good news? Well, not that much actually, but here is the damage not that bad. I expected some, chewed part here, but it seems not bad. The welding is not damaged. Here is, I guess, where the support for gearbox comes to the side beam. Here, as you can see, it's damaged, but that's the same stuff like on the other side. Probably the whole shock moved a little to the back side, just a little, but it's enough to cause something. I don't see obvious damage here, but it's probably just a little, and it's enough to move, let's say, the fender to the top part of the fender to the back, and to destroy all geometry of the car. Okay, it's disassembled. What's going to happen now? So what's going to happen now? I'm going to take pictures of all this stuff, all this damage. I'm going to bring these pictures and probably video to, and size and dimensions to several local body shops and see how much it will cost to repair it, at least in general, at least to put side beams on the right place, and then I do all other parts. After that, I will decide what to do with this car. Should I keep it in repair? Should I put it back to the auction, or should I find another car, another Saab, and use it, this one for parts, or I just should part it out? I don't know right now. Let's see. So basically the damage is more difficult, and there is more damage than I expected, and I actually very sad about this. So this happens when you buy cars from Copart and from other auctions sight unseen, and even if I saw it on site, I would not see these things hidden deep inside. So this is the risk of the project, and well, in worst case, I lose some, probably $500-600. Not good, but not terrible if it goes back to the auction. But I don't know, if I part it out, probably I will earn some money or make it even at least. So I don't know right now. I will keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this or like other my videos, please subscribe down below and leave a comment. What do you think about this project? Should I keep it? Should I get rid of it? How bad it is if you're a body shop professional? Thank you very much, and see you next time.